Life is full of challenges, whether it's a stressful job, relationship problems, or simply not seeing improvement at the pace you desire. It can be hard to maintain motivation when facing these obstacles, and often we just give up when things get too tough. But true growth comes from being challenged. So how do you push through and keep going when you just feel like giving up? Well, that's where the cookie jar method comes in. The cookie jar was a concept created by David Goggins, a retired Navy SEAL and ultramarathon runner who holds multiple records and regularly places in the top 5 of these grueling races. He's known as one of the toughest men alive and attributes his success to using the cookie jar method. The story of the cookie jar method begins with Goggins' goal to raise money for the Special Operations Warrior Foundation to support the families of fallen soldiers. He vowed to run the Badwater 135, the world's toughest foot race. To enter Badwater, he had to first prove he could run a 100-mile race in 24 hours or less. Even having not run more than a mile in the last 6 months, Goggins decided to give it a shot. Despite feeling strong at the start, he soon faced challenges as he approached the first 25 miles, then again at 50. And by mile 70, he was exhausted and felt like giving up. But that's when he remembered his past victories and drew strength from them. He used the energy from these memories to push through the remaining 30 miles and reach the 100-mile mark. This is the essence of the cookie jar method, drawing inspiration from past achievements and failures that you've overcome to find the motivation to keep going when faced with challenges. Whether it's studying, working on a side business, or hitting the gym, everyone has moments when they feel like giving up. That's when you reach into your cookie jar and draw inspiration from past victories to keep pushing forward. These memories and experiences don't even have to be your own. In 1954, no one believed that it was possible to run a 4-minute mile. But an Englishman by the name of Roger Bannister thought otherwise. And on May the 6th, even in bad weather, he managed to break the 4-minute mile with a time of 3 minutes and 59.4 seconds. The impossible was made possible. But what was even more interesting was the fact that soon after, many others started to break the 4-minute mile. Once people knew it was possible, any remaining mental blocks fell away. Whether you draw upon your own personal victories or the stories of others, this wealth of information is always at your fingertips, waiting to be harnessed and used to help you face any challenge that may come your way. Thanks for watching, and until next time.